For this text, you are just reading a short section of a book. You'll read more of it next week. It's called Kids Take Action. So it's just page 2 through 5 of the book. The introduction called Kids Can Change the World. Some fun pictures to look at, a lot of different examples. And then the question you're answering is, what is something you could do to make a difference in the world? Now, you might be able to answer that question without reading the book, but I still would like you to read it, number one, because it's good practice reading, but also because they might think of something that you hadn't thought of. So it's good to open our minds to new ideas and new suggestions, and it's only 4 pages, so I know you can do it. And you can also listen to it if you want, as always with these benchmark books. The code word for today is koala. Koala. Let's make sure. I know this is from a different thing. But just so you know how to spell it, koala is the word for today. The last word in the phrase. You do have to do your reading response after this, but there's no video to go along with that. So there's no word with that. Good luck. Make sure to give good, thoughtful answers, write in complete sentences, all good things like that. Good luck. I look forward to reading your answers about ideas that you have that you could do to make a difference in the world.